Hello everybody, welcome back to another, I guess, how-to with Charlie's Adventures. I don't know if you can really call this a how-to today or not, but if you'll remember a while back I was doing the maintenance, adjusting the valves and everything on the Pioneer 520, and we found the bolt missing in the roll cage. And that bolt that's missing is right here, and it's got two side by side, and if you'll pay attention in a lot of my videos, you can hear that roll cage squeaking, flexing. So right here's the part number for the nut. It's 90303-42S-900. That's for the flange nut. And here's the part number for the bolt. That's 95701-1002-007. Alright, so what I'm going to do is in order to get to it, I got to remove the back of the seat. You just pull it out and let it drop down, and that'll get your seat out. Now, as you can tell, I've got the trigger shield, but and I've got the OEM Honda rear window, and I'm hoping that I can get into there. But I'm going to get me some tools together here, and we're going to put this bolt and nut on. Alright, it's the bolt and nut are both take a 14mm wrench or socket. And you can see them there. But it's kind of some tight quarters back here with this rear window, but I think we can get it. I just put the nut back there and hold it in place, and then try to get the bolt to start in the nut by holding the nut back in behind there. Alright, I've got the nut on the bolt. And I'm holding the back with a ratchet and socket. Now I'm going to tighten it down the best that I can. That nut has a flange on it, and with this back window, it makes it kind of hard to get to. I don't actually know what the torque should be, if any. I'm just gonna tighten the piss out of it. going to jump to the other one and just make sure it's still tight. And it is. All right, and there you have that. That should that'll be something you probably want to pay a little bit of attention to. I just noticed it when I took the seats out to do that service work on the changing the oil and adjusting the valve and all that. I just happened to notice that when we done that, and just now getting to it. All right, I've got another little project I'm going to try to do here, and I bought this rear window, and the first time that I unzipped the back window and zipped it back up, the zipper come apart. So I'm going to try to spray a little bit of WD-40 or something on that and try to get this zipper to working again. This thing was brand new, first time I'd ever unzipped the window, and you can see right here the zipper, it zipped down to about right there, and then it come apart down to here. So I'm going to try to fix that, and then I've got another little project I'm wanting to do today as well. Right now would be a good time for you to like and share and subscribe if you haven't already on this video. So if you would, just give me a like and a share, and subscribe if you ain't. Ring that notification bell, that way when I put a new video out, you'll be notified that I put one out. And I try to do a video one a week. Comes out at 8:15 a.m. every Saturday. That's what I try to do, but you know, sometimes easier said than done. But you know, I do the best I can. Okay, I've got the bolt in the roll bar and tightened down, and putting a gun rack in here. That's the Copeland. I don't know exactly how to pronounce it, but I've been trying to figure a gun rack out for the side-by-side, the 520, for a while. I bought these and put them in at one time, and then I took them back out. You can tell I've got this ATN night vision scope on the AR 300 Blackout. I can't put the clip in it here to hit the top right here, but you can tell it's pretty sturdy right there, and scope has got room back here, not the head. If I turned it the other way, it would hit the roof, and then the grip would hit the roll bar. So it works best like that right there. Well, I'm going to try that, and that should work for my 308 long gun too. Back here, up here in the middle, it was a little bit too long last year when I tried it. I was going to mount it here at the front, but I believe that's going to work out pretty good. And, you can see here, got plenty of headroom. Maybe this infrared light would be the only thing, but I believe that's going to work. What do you all think? I'm going to try it out and see. And, you just have to keep your clip down here beside you. You'd want to keep it somewhere where the heat don't get to it, because these seats get bad hot. But anyway, I've been meaning to do that for a long time. And that right there is what I've come up with. And I did get the zipper on the back window done, and got it rolled up and tied up right now, but I did get it fixed, and I put some WD-40 on the zipper. So anyway, hope that helps some of you all on a gun mount. And if you'll notice right here where it mounts is the step up in the roof on both sides. So you know, it's almost kind of like it was made for that, but if you stand it straight up, for the AR anyway, it was going to be a problem getting in. Now, you might be able to stand this straight up, and it'd be okay for a regular long rifle, you know, like a 308 or something like that. But I tell you what, I may go in and get my 308 and bring it out here and try it, and we'll just see how it works. Alright, I've got my Axis hardwood in here. As you can see now, it just barely clears these rubber pieces, and I'm pulling it all the way back as far this way as I can get it. And I've got room for one finger here. And then on the other side, it's not sticking out beyond, but you'd have to pay attention and watch it and not let it vibrate and shake over this away. You can see right there, you know, it's not sticking out, it's not protruding outside the side by side. So yeah, that'll work. And I may end up trying to, if I could get both of them closer together, it would work better. I don't know if it would for the AR. Like if we put this in here and that in here close, that way I could get a grip on the stock here instead of just the barrel. But yeah, I believe this is going to end up working out. Well, at least it's an idea for you all. You know, I mean, I was beating my brains out trying to figure out how I was going to get a gun rack in here before. It looks like, you know, might have to play with it a little bit, but looks like it's going to work out. All right, if you don't care, like and share and subscribe and ring the notification bell. That way when I upload new videos, you'll get notified that a new video has been uploaded. And I'm going to have a drawing here coming up for, I'm going to give something away. I believe I'm up to 185 subscribers now. I'm going to do, I know I said I was going to do something at 100, but I broke my leg and all. But I am going to do something for 200 subscribers. Whenever I get to 200 subscribers, we're going to have a drawing. I'm going to give something away. I've got something in mind, you know, and I don't know exactly how I'm going to do it yet, but I am going to do something when I hit 200 subscribers. So if y'all don't care, just keep sharing these videos, and I'm, you know, doing what I can to help people out that's got these Pioneer 520s on as I come across them, you know, trying to help work out problems with them. Don't really have any problems with them, just you know, like the gun rack, you know, and things like that. Also wanted to show y'all something. If you'll remember about the oil leak, if you can see back in there, the top of the motor back there is still dry. So I think that helped. I think that fixed my oil leak back there. And the back side of the motor here still got oil on it. Of course, I'm gonna have to degrease it and clean it, but I'm about positive that fixed the oil leak. And that's a good thing. That Ultra Gray's real good stuff. But anyway, I guess that's going to do it for this video, and hope somebody gets something out of it. All right, I'll see you on the next one. Everybody be safe. Bye bye.